Welcome to SST class beta, and this is video number 9 part 4 of this location and extent. In previous video we have done true false and one word answer. Now it's time to do the question answer. So open your fair notebooks for this. RS first question you are supposed to copy from here and write down in your fair notebook. In this way you just write down here chapter 9 India location and extent, then write down the first question here and then answer. First question of ours is discuss India's location on world map. So write down the answer for this. India has a central location between East and West Asia. I'm repeating, India has central location between East and West Asia. Then they ask us what is latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India's landmarks. Question number 2 this is. So answer for this is latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. Longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minutes east, put E for east, and 97 degree 25 minutes east, put E for again east. Next question is our question number 3. What are the main political divisions of India? So come to the answer. The main political divisions of India are East India, West India, North India, South India, Northeast India, Central India. I'm repeating. Answer number 3. The main political divisions of India are East India, West India, North India, South India, Northeast India, and Central India. Come to the fourth question, beta. Name six physiographic or natural divisions of India. Answer for this is the 6 physiographic or natural division of India are the Great Himalayas, the Northern Plains, the Indian Desert regions, the Southern Plateau, the Coastal Plain, the Island region. Again I am repeating. The Great Himalayas, the Northern Plains, the Indian Desert regions, then it's which are region only, not regions. This S will not come here. The Southern Plateau, Coastal Plains, and Island region. Come to the next question, that is the question number 5. Question number 5 is, what are the 3 sections of Northern Plains? Answer is, the 3 sections of Northern Plains include Punjab Plain, Ganga Plain, Brahmaputra Plain. The 3 sections of Northern Plains include Punjab Plain, Ganga Plain, Brahmaputra Plain. Our next question. How describe the Southern Plateau region of India? Write this in points so that it can be easy for you for learning purpose. First point is the Southern Plateau contains igneous rocks. And second point is it is divided into 2 regions, that is Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. The Southern Plateau contains igneous rocks, first point. Second point, it is divided into 2 regions, that is Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Come to the question number 7, children. How far do the coastal plains of India stretch? Number 7, just write in points so that it could be easy for you. First point is the western coastal plain stretches up to 50 km between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Second point, the eastern coastal plain stretches up to 130 km between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. The western coastal plain stretches up to 50 km between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Second point, the eastern coastal plain stretches up to 130 km between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. Answer number 8. Name the island regions which are part of India. So answer number 8 is the island regions of India are Lakshadweep Island, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The island regions of India are the Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this was all in your question answers. Have a good day, children.